unbox my newest Birkin with me. Ah! It just came in the mail. Let's unbox. I'm so excited for this one. I've literally never, ever been more excited for a bag to come in. This is in one of the original colors I wanted that they don't make anymore, that I made my first wish list with. Was a seasonal color that now comes back, but I think only in exotics. I've not seen it in a bag from this year that it came out 2022, and this is a 2022 one in a size I don't have. Spoiler, it's not from Hermes. Better spoiler, I rented it. It's a rental. Stay tuned for more about that. It's a little long video, so grab a coffee, grab a cocktail, everything like that, okay? I'm gonna talk about the process. From this amazing company called Luxe Du Jour. They're a Canadian-based company, resale luxury bags, handbags out of Canada, and they have a location in Irvine as well. Luxe Du Jour. Buy bags or rent bags, okay? No hassle, no pre-spend, no nothing like that. You just go and get it. And if you want one, I actually have a discount code. You can use my name, MAYANK, to get a discount on a bag rental or a purchase, okay? And you can rent them. So if you want to get a bag for an event or something like that, and you just want to use it really quickly for a couple of days or a week or 2 weeks or a month, or continuously rental it for a while, it's like Bag Barstool, all those places, but with Birkins and Kellys, and all your other bags too, your Chanels and everything like that. Obviously, I had to get a Birkin, and I wanted to show you guys because, duh. You could rent it, and they have different payment periods. So you can pay a 7-day rate, a 14-day rate, I think, or 15-day rate, and a 30-day rate, something like that. I picked 14. I'm gonna have it for 2 weeks. I'm gonna use it for 2 events that I have coming up, which I will obviously take you to. And I really wanted to get it in this color because this is the color. You guys know me, this is the first color I wanted, and this color has been so close to my heart. I was not able to get it from the store, and they don't make it anymore from the store, like I said, in this color, so I had to get it from here. Oh. Okay, it comes in a little LuxeDuJour dust bag. If you buy it, it'll have the full set, I believe, like the box and everything like that. Oh my god, you guys, are you ready? It is a Birkin 25 in the color chai, which if you know me, you know I love chai. Not just because I'm Indian, although that is part of it, but my dog's name is Chai. It was the first color I wanted. And I felt like it was a sign because the Hermes color code for it is OM, which is Om, which is also like an Indian. So it is an Indian thing, but it was this most beautiful color. It was the color of the season in 2022. You could, like, everyone wanted one. I believe they only make it at exotics now. I've only seen it in exotics now, coming out in new bags, but this is from 2022. They have new ones for purchase, but they also rent other ones that are not in like completely perfect condition. So it's got a little bit of wear on it, I believe, but it's still got the plastic and stickers intact. I mean, it looks perfect. I'm gonna wear it to 2 parties, one tomorrow. Oh. It's like a little toy, and I don't have anything in 25. I mean, it is very small, but I think a 25 is perfect for like an evening event type thing, right? They just put a Cellier one on, which I was really upset that I didn't see that because I would have wanted that, like a 25 Cellier, because, you know, it's a little more formal, and also they don't make Cellier anymore, but maybe I'll get that next. And they also have mini Kellys, they have everything. It's really, really great. I'm really excited. Oh, it smells so new and so fresh. That's what it looks like. Ah. Let me know if you want to know more about the service, and I'm happy to tell you, but yay. Oh, I can't wait. Are you kidding? Are you joking? Hello, my new friend. Wait, hold on. This is the only thing I was ever able to get my hands on in the chai color, which is my little notebook in chai. I wish they made these with gold hardware. They don't, but my little notebook inside my little chai. Chai, come here. Come here. Chai, need chai. Come here. It actually looks different on each one. Anyway, Birkin 25, gold hardware, plastic still intact, Togo leather, retourné. Are you joking? Oh my god. I'll tag their info, put all this stuff below. They have a TikTok shop too. TikTok shop and everything like that, so you can find them on TikTok. And also, I'll put the website and everything like that down below. Go check them out. Let me know if you do in the comments below.